Awa, police. Yun na. Saan masakit, be? Ate, wag.
Set a speed. If you are far away from help and someone in your group has suffered a broken bone, you will need to set a speed. If the injured is not set before moving the injured person, it could get worse and cause excessive pain. A speed can be set with a household items or with a stick and clothing. If you are out on the trails or in the mountains.
I-straight muna natin. Ah! Be, kumuha kayo na kahit anong stick or kaya matulis. Straight na kahoy. Yan, tama. Saka tela. O yan, panyo, tama. Kailangan natin ng suporta.
Sa dulo ng ano para.
Tali natin. Para subuto mo hindi.
Ate, dahan-dahan lang.
Tumawag kayo bilang 911.